Good morning, guys. Say good morning. You can't hear them earmuffs on? Girl, bye. Anyways, we're on the way to the new house to get some deliveries, open some stuff that we bought. No toys. No toys. A lot of stuff that we bought for her room, and a lot of stuff is being delivered today, so I thought I'd bring you guys all along since you guys are all along with me on this house journey experience. And yeah, let's get that drive on. So excited about that. All right, so the first thing we have was free. This came with my couch that's supposed to come in a couple hours. It's just 2 pillows and a throw. I didn't know I was gonna get them, so I just picked white because I figured it would match. Hey girl. Over here, this is gonna be my ceiling fan. It's just like a crystal ceiling fan. I'll open it up and show you what it looks like, but that's pretty much the crystals and then the fan. That one's gonna go right here in the living room. Then they just dropped off this TV, which I have another 75 in my house right now, but I needed 2 because one of them is gonna go in the basement, but I kind of underestimated this space over here where it's supposed to hang. I just measured it and it's like 2 to 3 inches off. So hopefully the guy that's about to mount it can figure that out. Then I bought a smaller, cheaper TV for one of the guest rooms since people will barely watch it, but I still wanted a decent size. But the brand is like, I guess, a cheap brand. So it was only like $300 for this 55-inch. I'm not sure what's in here. I gotta open this one up. I know these are a bunch of lights for the bathroom. No idea what's in there. And I think these are more lights. So I'm gonna have to open those up to see. This is gonna be my chandelier, which I have to put together. It's gonna hang up there. I was worried it wasn't gonna be big enough, but it looks like it's gonna be a decent size once I put it together. So we'll see how that looks in just a minute. It's supposed to look like that. Now I'll show you a couple of the things that I got for Yoshi's room. Bring that pillow.
What pillow?
The pillow that you asked, what did it say? Her bed comes tomorrow. And she's upset that she will not be here. She'll be with her dad for the beginning of Thanksgiving, but she will see it on Thanksgiving when she gets back. This is her pillow that we got from Target.
It says sparkle.
It says sparkle. Her room is gonna be pretty much girl colors. Pinks, purples, lavenders, gray. Her bed is a bunk bed, which she begged me for. So it's gonna have a desk attached. So I just got this little pink light. And this is gonna be the mattress for the bottom bunk. Ooh. Not the mattress, the comforter. My sister loved it. I wasn't that thrilled about it, but she told me it would turn out really cute. So we're gonna put this on the bottom bunk and another one on the top. Got this little picture. Probably put this in her bathroom because you must always wear your invisible crown, my dear. This is just gonna hang somewhere on the wall. She loves pictures of like her family, so we'll probably put pictures and stuff like that on there. And I thought these chairs were gonna be too small for her, but me and my sister literally sat in these chairs like for 15 minutes at Target. We were trying to decide if we were gonna get all this stuff, and they were super comfortable, so let's see. Is it comfy? It's comfy, huh? Yes, girl. So I got 2 of those, and the fan that's in my living room right now is gonna go up there. She wanted a ceiling fan, so I'm gonna give her the one that's in our living room right now because it has some crystals and it's small enough for her. All right, come on, let's go back downstairs so we can open up some of these boxes. Oh yeah, for this guest room, we got some sheets. These are pineapple sheets. I just thought they were cute. So I figured I would theme my rooms because that's just kind of what we do. Like at my sister's house, there's a Buddha room and a shoe room and all that. So this is gonna be the pineapple room. I haven't decided on if I'm gonna do wallpaper or not, but thought these sheets were cute. So this guest room will be the pineapple room. I also have another ceiling fan, just like the one that's gonna be in the living room downstairs for my room, because this one just didn't go. So I'm gonna swap it out for something cuter. These are just basics that I'll probably change out later, but since we've been staying here off and on, I got some shower curtains and a shower liners and a shower curtain and rugs for Yoshi's room, just so we can at least have one room besides mine with shower stuff in it and some shower towels. I got all this stuff off Amazon, FYI. It's just so convenient. So Yoshi, I'm gonna have you put your shower curtain and liner together. You think you can handle that?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you still have those earmuffs on though?
It's cold.
Yeah, it's not cold in here, bro. You just think you're cute.
Bye.
You can keep them on. Don't let me steal your shine. That's your steelo right there. All right, so I'm gonna have you put these hooks on the shower curtain while mommy tries to assemble that ceiling fan over there.
The next day.
They put up my TV, which was a challenge. She ended up having to call somebody because I guess the TV is a little pushing it for this size mantle. But I think it turned out pretty nice. He tried to get it as center as possible, but I guess the builders didn't set up the studs center. I don't know nothing about it, but he got it right. That's all I care about. They also delivered most of my couch. For the most part, this is what it's gonna look like. I have 2 purple pillows I'm gonna put right there that are in my other house. And I got this throw rug and those 2 pillows with my purchase. It's from American Signature Furniture. The only thing it's missing is a console, which is supposed to go like either in between here or in between there, which is like a little square block that has like a cup holder and a charger on it, because all of the seats recline. It's not plugged up right now, but they all recline and you can charge your phone. That's that 2018. And I personally customized the pieces I wanted because I didn't like how they had them all set up. So it's gonna be super comfy. This is my favorite part of the couch right here. I'll probably be sitting there the most. Also yesterday, me and my mom put together my chandelier. Took a long time, bro. But I think it's gonna look really nice once it goes up. There's crystals at the bottom, you just can't see them right now. Took like an hour to put all these pieces on. And if you follow me on IG, you already know that her bunk bed came. Right when she saw it, she wanted to lay in it. Didn't have any sheets or anything on it, still doesn't. We just threw this on from our other house. These won't be on her bed, but she was so thirsty to lay on the top bunk. But up here is a twin and down here is a full, which I'm gonna have a tough time even getting her to sleep down here because she always wants to be up there, but it's to be expected. It comes with these steps right here, which are also storage drawers. Guess you can put like underwear, socks, pajamas, all that good stuff. And on this side is a desk. Also has 3 drawers as well. And I added this lamp, which you guys already seen. So the full size mattress situation, you guys already saw the comforter, so it's gonna be this design for the comforter. And for her sheets, I got her these purple sheets, which she hasn't even seen yet. I wanted plain purple, but I figured she would like the kitty cats more, so I just buckled and got her the kitty cat sheets. All of the bedding is from Target. All the bedding and I think decorations are from Target. The actual bed situation is from Rooms to Go Kids. So yeah, she's gonna have the purple sheets. That's gonna be the comforter and 2 of the pillows. And then I'm gonna throw on some like shaggy pillows, some purple, gold, pink, just a bunch of pillows to make it really look decorative down there, because this bed is way lower than I thought. I did not know it was all the way to the ground. So we're gonna just deck it out with pillows. For the top, she's gonna have these plain pink sheets. They didn't have pink kitty cats, sorry girl. She's gonna have the plain pink sheets and this comforter at the top bunk, which is just a purple comforter with like silver glitter, if you can see that. Little spectral glitter. So yeah, pink and purple at the top, white and purple at the bottom. I think it's gonna look really cute. I can't really visualize it right now, but what I had in my head, I'm hoping to make come into fruition. And her room will probably be the first completed room. So if you wanna see the complete transformation. Oh yeah, there's also this dresser, which I kind of regret getting because I just felt like she needed one. She doesn't have much space in the room she has now, and I'm always looking for somewhere to put her clothes. But I might end up moving this dresser either on that wall or that wall, just to give her more space to roam, because it just took up too much space. But we'll see, or you'll see if you follow her channel, Yoshi Doll, because I will do her final room update on her channel. So originally this video was just supposed to be a haul, but I felt like it's a little short. Let me try to wait like a couple days when I got at least 2 of the lights installed so you guys can just see what it looks like. The guys just left and they installed my ceiling fan, which is cuter than I thought it was gonna be. Let me turn off the fan so it'll be still. But even though you guys haven't seen a tour of any of the other places I've stayed, you probably wouldn't know, but I'm kind of obsessed with crystals. Like, I'm not really the best at home decor, so I try to get stuff that just seems like it'll go with anything, and crystals go with anything. So pretty much every single last, even closets, every single last light in this house will be replaced with some type of crystal, like, because I just like them. I think they're pretty and they're sparkly. And even though some of these weren't even that expensive, they look expensive. So bougie on a budget. And here is the chandelier I was showing you guys. Let me go upstairs so you can see it better. It was so hard to find an inexpensive chandelier that was a nice size for like the entryway, because all of these that I saw, they were like starting at $1,000. But I managed to get this one for half, so I think it turned out fabulous, darling. Me and my mommy put all these pieces together, looking like Swarovski. My pillows are a mess, but you see I put those purple pillows up on there. But for now, that is my mini house decor haul. It's gonna be a process, especially in January, because that's when they start the pool in the basement. So it's gonna be a journey. Deadline is April. So make sure you guys are subscribed. So if you care to see this whole process, make sure to subscribe, you know? Should be fun to see the before and after. I love home decor shows. So that is it for this home update. If you guys want to see an update on each and every room, let me know. That's work, so I'm only gonna do it if you guys want me to. Other than that, I'll show you guys when like master in the living room and the office is done. And I really didn't plan on making this a whole thing, but if you guys want to, you know, see the updates, let me know in the comments, and whatever else you want to see. But until next time, love you.